Fix a belly, give me a light. Hold on, it a tape, gas and no rape.
This promotion about it a tape, gas and a rape. It is traumatizing the fucking rape victims.
With alkaline. I mean, it's a good water.
Wow!
It's just a vibe. It's just fun, yeah? No,
Vybz, as in Vybz Kartel?
no.
Okay.
Isn't he locked up?
Yes.
Okay.
Bitch, our party, we not invite them. Puzzle up the car and the bike them. Make a stop, pick up the item, oil and powder, house and your other side them. And make a bad link on the bag of phone. Them no man a poison. Amazon, deep on rifle, deep right.
So watch out now, my people. Watch out now, my people. Big respect. My TikTok family and friends. I want to do it out there. Everything great. But they out here, you know. Just too long. Finish therapy. Yeah, and on a mental therapy. Brain good. Brain cell active. Everything good. I see what I go on social media. So, my son of favorite artist out there. Saying Vybz Kartel. I don't know I'm afraid for calling him. Vybz Kartel. Go pick up Evadne Price. Piece of interview from Academic. Where I try for shade alkaline. See? And me say the Adisha Palmer, as a killer call him, go talk over the Vice, and everybody know the Vice they are shade alkaline. So me I wonder if Vybz Kartel really a try. Remember in a cartel, don't take up what you can't manage, you know. But no one come at me now in a blood clot Gaza fans, but don't take up what you can't manage. See? Cause guess what? The kitchen is eating up. The kitchen hot. So don't take up what you can't manage and don't cartel no buy pan where you can't chew. See? Just go and stick to see them. And go and do TikToking now. See? Just go and be a TikTok creator now. Cause remember, you know, I'm not a TikToker, you know. I'm telling you, I'm an artist motivator. Not a TikToker. See? So, if you not fling shades off of the man himself, you just fling direct shades and call name the man and stop use people voice. We are shade the artist and I talk about the artist and then we're not going to use them voice. I go like some one style the artist. We are watching, you know. Nobody feel like the Vendetta fans them gone nowhere, you know. We're there, you know. I we say Bumbuckler Miggle Day, you know. Saying, I we say Miggle Day. So big up the Vendetta people, them. One child, one Vendetta, we out. So make all of who say Gaza go and run up them Bumbuckler mouth, we still there. And the beating and the teaching no stop. See? So all of who know that do the eating and the bleaching and the bad mining, the beating no stop for no. And we still about Batty Boy and Sodomite. You think we forgot?
Dosa Medicine have no song bigger than Swear and I Will Never. Dosa Medicine have a song bigger
That's a
than
big
Gully
song.
Christmas
That's
with
a
me
big
and
song.
Bovado.
Wait, let's reason this. Is that a big song or just a cool
Dosa
song
Medicine
that
have
was
a
in the
song
space?
bigger than
What
Walk With
is
Them
that a
Can't With
big
Gully
song? Let's reason this.
Dosa
Is
Medicine
that
have
a
a song
big
bigger
song or
than
was
Girl
it just
Wine
a
Up Your Body
song?
Like an Anna Head. My youth
All of
top
those
shot
songs
puppy
are big.
amazing, yeah, man.
The girl see me and she can't hold her head straight. The younger man will go wild and escape. And go thing left me do know what make a sex tape. But me believe in a God so much. If me can't have gas, me still a rev it with faith. Born hungry, you coulda seen me rib stage. Now me out in the world, I shell every big stage.
Media stand and pause because there's a category 5 hurricane out for rip up Jamaica. And then we realize that there is a category 5 hurricane mash up the whole of Dominica Republic. Who is that? Vybz Kartel was the one in Dominica Republic. And then jump on a plane and go to Canada and shell down Canada. So one category 5 there Canada, and then one there Dominica, and one there Jamaica. Vybz Kartel, you are the boss. You are the undisputed champion. You are none other than the GOAT, the king, youth, nobody. General.
Cemetery. Tired of the pain, tired of the poverty. Want better for my family. Tired for hungry, boy. Tired for hungry. Hey, why it's called more?
Yo. Yeah, me answer, man. If I lick line I see you go and sabad over, take it. You can't take the lick line and go on, man. Take the lick line I see at Jamaica. Me I beg you to please take it, man. Nobody build back the send back at Jamaica, man. Me bumbo clot. Nobody build back the send, man. You can't take the lick line and go on. You have to build this here under control. Yeah, make we dead for hunger and then send on the poison food for come give you for poison we have. And control your mind and can't tell what to do. You can't take the lick line and go on, man. Yeah, man, take the lick line. And if go to Jamaica, take it and go on, man. Nobody build this come back here, man. Jesus Christ, how this man build, man? No lightning, no thunder. I saw the bird and confused. This man, I see a bird stand up, so I just saw it up. So like bird I say, oh, I don't know about that storm. Nature never send a signal to me. I build the man and build this, you know. Don't take the client I see. Take it and go on. Go on with it. Me bumbo class all things serious.
Why it's called mode? Coffee the food, touch the road. In a chill behind bars and a code. Chop summer, chop like so forward. Why it's called mode? Coffee the food, touch the road. In a jail behind bars and a code. Chop summer, chop like so.
Me alone can take it, mama. Me alone can take her. You see? So, Melissa, you're going to name out your blood clot pussy.
But T-boy eat, boss. So you don't come off our internet, boy, you go eat the storm. Everything you take for a joke. I would like to see you eat. Yo, people have no fear. Eat boss is about to eat the storm away. Boy, you fuck if that storm come in your mouth. Or you can't yam, so you yam. You need to stop yam pussy, boy. Why you don't go look at, why you don't go, bro, you need to push out that girl and breed, girl. Mouth water that breed, that girl look a waistband. Sad about batty, boy, you name traded again. And if you name, boy, come off of the middle, look a waistband, batty.
Before you judge me, take the time to know me. Try to respect me. Listen my story now. Get on youth so I help them ignore it. Then the next life lost got shot from glory now. It not easy when you can't find meals. Can't find jobs, struggle real. The system.
So figure it out, Aki. The two youth, them we say them a brother. See? Boy, where they on the media talk tough. You want hold them on your nozzle. If you take picture with them. Let me ask you a question. True, uno ghetto with Naya murder. Uno feel say, Rosalie bring you back for this? Hey, Hakim, you think say at this Rosalie bring you back for? If you come back on the internet, come send threat again. Now you're on the internet with screen recording. Have you a say, you want to take man picture with nozzle? On the nozzle? Brother, why do you think that una alone can take picture with nozzle? Wanna take Naya picture. Yeah. And then wanna come here, wanna ball, wanna beg, wanna plead. Say, wanna do it. But no. Wanna want to turn bad man again. Brother, go on there, look up dating show them. Go on there, look up game them on the internet. And love badness alone. Wanna can't manage badness. Figure it out. And Hakim, uno not bad. Una batty man, una not bad, brother. So just play a phone game, stay in a phone lane. And stop come talk about uno want to catch people on the nozzle. Fi clap them. Take picture with them. Boy, if me go through the amount of trouble, uno go through the other day and lose all of the money when me lose. Me would have shut up and just go on, take my time and build back. Me don't know how to reach over here so with this back again. And we figure it out. You and Hakim, a boyfriend and girlfriend, two bitch-ass niggas.
Rascal, then look how them a people here down at Jamaica love beg. And now storm fi come. Then no doubt they go beg. Them a people here love beg from morning and now storm about to come. You only giving them a reason to beg to blood clot. All more make you know so the people them don't really have to beg. You don't know about wait till after the storm to start beg. You don't leave the people them who really need the help to beg. Because you know already like beg already to blood clot. This a storm that just give you an opportunity to beg to bumbo clot. What is wrong with you people in Jamaica? You can't beg the buckler. No, this is the moment for you to beg to blood.
Chill zone. The thing them chop chip. Legal conflict. Brat never to the crucial conflict. Show them war tactic. To out the blood clot chip for the zigga walk. Shatter lajida head and couple in a gut. If you no find them.
Figure it out, you're batty boy, man. Me done figure you out already, and by now the entire internet figure you out by now. We are called old man. You know it's a blessing to live to see so many years. In fact, the woman where you make feel less of a woman, the woman where you in a bed with, where you make sure wonder if she's attractive or not. You know that woman is older than me. When me I go to school, me I pass at the woman they sell past street side of beer. So you have the old woman I walk with, boy. I got sack your man.
I don't want to play no games with the hurricane, you know. Because the hurricane and Melissa are going like say, she don't want to play no games with Jamaica, you know. So you hear me telling you, say, be careful there. I'm going to tell you something. There is another hurricane is forming in the Dominican Republic. A day ago, rip up the whole of Dominican Republic. Goes by the name of Vybz Kartel. And then we find out there's a next hurricane formed in Canada. Mash up the whole of Canada last night. Goes by the name of Vybz Kartel. And then we hear that it's going to stay there until tonight. Another hurricane mashing up, blowing down, vibesing up the place. Canada, me I tell you say, undisputed champion. We don't even see lean mouth out here. Where is lean mouth? Where is lean mouth? We don't see lean mouth out here. Mosquito, you realize that when you see that boy thoughts are white, it's all like off his stove. You realize, I ain't gone with it now. Everybody saying gone with it now. Vybz Kartel come out, and when time to introducing to Vanessa Bling. You don't feel shame, Mosquito? One old song, beat white, old song. My dog start sell white. You watch it, watch the performance. Watch when time the boss come out. Please don't call yourself no goat no more. Don't even try it. Because we're going to rub out your career. You understand, Mosquito? We already proven that you love money now. Because in a airplane filled with man, not even one woman. All when you done sing whites and leave off a stage, you leave with a bag of man. When time Addy done sing, introducing Vanessa Bling. When the man end the show, far you come from. What a journey. Hey, I be a girl man walk off with. Hey, when I see your spice of wine for the man, and the man I say, hey, why? I know him say it, a spice say it. Your hand too close to the clitoris. Hey! I say, at the clit finger, at the titty finger. Youth! Hey, man full of rhyme, you see, Jaja said it.
I see that my name now. You know, I think already. And a Portmore will come from Jamaica. Because the Guyanese people have crossed class, you know, I think of. Well, girl, come link me, titty be a top. The squeeze by your nipple, make your titty be a cup. But be a girl, lucky, now me prove straight. Fuck, I could have never made the aisle, now me back here. Couple listen up, I'm in a wait like them and lock down in a room, I watch.
Yo, everybody at Jamaica, and alright, come here calling and I'm not getting on. Yo, no too bumbo class stubborn. I'm not telling us if you charge on the phone and come off of social media and save on the battery, dog. Me a call now, I'm not getting on. Yo, no voice note me back and me know so no good. Me worried, me know so alright. Yo, everybody on the voice, yo, no call me bumbo. Yo,
Yo, me find the baddest song. That song I got lock the whole place. Hear a new thing, yeah. Oh, you mean, General, right pan the hype, you right pan the hype. Oh, you mean, General, be right pan the hype. You know, see, upon your passport, me a fly. Bumba clock this man.
Pull up after you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket.
Hold this, kneel. You myself close a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. The ear. Paper, make sure you subscribe and share.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and done. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody blood a fi go sharp and burn. The war start and all that done.
try.
Fire, right? Let me answer.